What happens after death? Using a design workbook to understand user expectations for preparing their data. This paper was written by Chen, that's me, and my co-authors Francesco Vitale and Joanna McGrenere at the University of British Columbia. Consider the case of a woman who had to hack into her late mother's iPhone. Although her mother had shared the phone passcode only a month prior to the car accident, the passcode no longer worked. The daughter was locked out with no access. The device held more than the details required for planning a funeral and resolving financial accounts. It represented her mother's memories through digital photos, conversations, and notes. Like her mother, our devices are home to our most personal data, representing our memories and experiences. And our data is spread across devices such as phones, tablets, and laptops, which we accumulate over our lifetime. Nowadays, with cloud storage platforms like these, we can store a lifetime of memories with little to no cost. But very few people prepare their data for eventual death. After all, it's hard. Dealing with a lifetime of data may be overwhelming, and current tools and stopgap measures, like writing a list of passwords on a piece of paper, may not be enough. To explore promising design directions for designing personalized and respectful death preparation tools for data, we asked the following research question. How can the HCI community support preparation of data in anticipation of death? We focus on 3 design directions. Nudging. How can we nudge users to begin the preparation process before it's too late? Control. Can we provide a flexible and desirable level of control over data? And collaboration. Can a collaborative process with loved ones help users choose meaningful data to leave behind? To answer our research questions, we first ran an ideation workshop to create a large number of design concepts as sketches. We grouped 12 concepts into a digital design workbook, which is a collection of related ideas. Each design concept has an illustration and description. Participants interpreted each concept however they wished. We used the design workbook as a probing tool in an interview study with 20 participants, ages 18 to 80 years old. Using thematic analysis, we identified 5 themes that capture attitudes and expectations towards preparing data for death. Here is an overview of the 12 concepts in the workbook. In this video, I briefly discuss 2 key themes using 2 of the design concepts as examples. One of the key themes we identified from participants' reactions is that some wanted the process of preparing for death to feel personal and intimate. Designers could create tools for preparation to foster intimacy and involve loved ones in sensitive ways. Generation Cloud, the design concept shown here, lets people see data from family members and upload their own meaningful data over time. Participants said that they would cherish family data that creates connections across generations in their family. P14 said that he would feel motivated by Generation Cloud. That would be fascinating, actually. If I'm getting something out of it before, I can see more of the value of passing that on to my kids. Another key theme that we identified was that data cannot fully represent an individual. Take this concept, for example, Blast from the Past, an AI replica of an ancestor based on the aggregation of their lifetime data. Participants reacted negatively to this idea, with P17 saying, "That's not the way I want to remember someone. You've taken a complex human being and made them a little digital icon." Instead, participants wanted control and agency over their self-representations after death by choosing what to share, delete, or keep private while alive. Based on the results of the thematic analysis, we present a set of design considerations for better tools focused on 3 areas that address our initial research questions: normalizing preparing data for death, giving and taking control, and finding ways to introduce collaboration rather than conflict. In the paper, you'll find more details about each of these broad design directions. To summarize, our paper uses a design workbook with 12 concepts to understand user expectations for preparing their data for death. In the paper, we present the results of our thematic analysis and contribute a set of broad design directions. Thank you for watching.